There are numerous simple recipes illustrated in Ayurveda to correct many disorders. Here are a few gruel recipes which are strongly recommended for helping with digestive disorders. Number 1. Indigestion. Ingredients: rice, 1/2 cup, water, 4 cups, long pepper, 2 or 3, ginger, 1 inch. And how to prepare. Cook the rice with recommended quantity of water with crushed ginger and salt. Powder the long pepper and fry it in a spoon of cow's ghee and add it to the gruel. Consume this when it is hot. This is very light to digest and relieves colic pain. For diarrhea. Ingredients: rice, 1/2 cup, water, 4 cups, ginger paste, 1/2 teaspoon, salt to taste, pomegranate juice, 1/2 cup. And how to prepare. First, cook rice with recommended quantity of water with ginger paste and salt. Next, add pomegranate juice when the gruel is warm. This gruel rehydrates the body and supplies energy. It soothes inflamed walls of the intestine and controls bowel movements. Number 3. For flatulence. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of rice, 4 cups of water, harataki, that is terminala chibula powdered, 1/2 of a teaspoon, roots of pipali or long pepper, and ginger paste, 1/2 of a teaspoon, and salt to taste. How to prepare. Cook the rice, the harataki powder, roots of pipali, and water together. Add some salt to it. Consume this when it is warm. This relieves flatulence and regularizes the bowel movement. Number 4. For indigestion due to overconsumption of oily food. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rice, 4 cups water, buttermilk, 1 cup, and salt to taste. And how to prepare. Cook the rice, water, and salt together. Add a cup of buttermilk when it is a little warm and consume it. This relieves indigestion, nausea, and corrects digestion. These are simple and effective remedies which can easily be prepared at home to correct the digestive disorder and also to replenish the lost nutrients. By the way, if you want to know more about the powerful remedies growing in your state, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.